Got another box in the mail, honey.
Ooh.
I ordered a tripod from Tricer.
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 Nice.
Yeah. I've been hemming and hawing about it for about 1.5 years now.
Hemming and hawing?
Yeah.
How come?
Well, you remember when I had that $1,000 bipod? No, I had an MDT triple pull before. I do like the concept of these longer bipod legs. I do, especially, I mean, think about it. You know, I love to hunt when I have a chance to hunt and do a lot of many other things with rifles. But when do you ever have a chance to get down in a prone to shoot your deer? It's very rare, very rare.
Very rare.
Yeah.
That's rare.
I mean, you guys will still try, but you know, all they're going to probably do is eat grass and see the rocks and grass in front of them kind of thing. So, you know, I mean, learning how to shoot off the ground is kind of important. Okay, anyway, let's see what we got here. Now, I do admit, Tricer did the right thing. They sent it to me because it was on back order. I guess this is the RP or whatever. But the shipping company lately, oh my God. Took a while. It wasn't Tricer's fault. It was the damn shipping company's fault. But anyway, I'm going to stop bitching because I got a new toy. And so here it is. This is what it comes with. So now I did mention I did have MDT triple pull, the Gen 1. Well-built system. I like the fact that you could do, I think it was like 36 inches. You could, it's like 3 feet. This one is, I think, 30 or 31 inches, something like that. Packages is pretty nice. And what I do like about this particular package is it's not a la carte. So it comes with
the whole kit and caboodle,
yeah, so that way if you have a Picatinny attachment or you have the ARC attachment, if you don't like the long legs, you have shorter legs, as you can see here, to put on. They even got that extension thing you can put on there too. So I give it a shot. Compared to the MDT, you know, it was $1,000. Anyway.
Wait, you're telling me that
this is not $1,000.
This is not $1,000.
No, hell no.
How much was this? Excuse me, bipod.
Discount. It still came out with shipping and everything about $300. I mean, that's $300 to $700 is on the average nowadays for bipods. I mean, back in the days, you'd go, what? How much? Just, you know, it would be almost unthinkable. But in today's world, you know, they're making it with carbon fiber, great materials, so on and so forth. You know, and the manufacturers are trying to meet the customer's demand as best as they can.
So why this particular bipod?
Well, I like the length.
Okay.
And it's less weight. I think with the long legs on here, it's 14 ounces or something like that. Don't quote me. I got to go check on that. You know, as we learn and grow and change our shooting technique, sometimes you change parts to enhance or accommodate, you know, different methods, right? Anyway.
Yeah, you tighten out what you need and what you don't need, right?
Correct. Anyway, so I want to find out how these work. I mean, the whole package feels pretty light in itself. I think this whole thing feels lighter than the Accutax I got on there.
Oh, wow.
But we're going to find out. The strengths. A good friend, Brandon, shout out to you, Brandon, out there. He let me borrow his for a night so I could play with it. And that convinced me to get one of these. Tell you what, my hunting knife.
I like how it's my fault. You can't find your scissors.
Wait a minute. No, I think I figured this out. Hold on.
Yeah, you got lots of stickers on the side, like three or four. No,
like
4 actually.
Aha!
Aha!
Yes, sir. There we go. There we go.
Hey!
Yeah. Nice.
It's good to know they've got some stickers.
I'm still going to have to put another edge on that cutting plastic, you know. All right, so here we go.
Ooh. She got a lot of gidgets and gazmos and whatnot.
I like the weight on it, though. I like the weight. It feels pretty sturdy.
Looks pretty sturdy.
Yeah. I like the weight on it, though. These, I'm not sure yet. This can help or hurt you at times. You know, the pointy feet stuff.
Are these?
But I'm sure I can remove it and put these on.
Yeah.
So these are the shorter legs. So if you don't like long legs, you can go normal height. Sorry, I don't have all the specs with me. I just got this. I didn't do my homework on it. Maybe I should have. So you know what I see here is they got all the attachments for whatever mounting system that you have. Okay. Yeah. So you know, like on those old stock rifles, you got your sling stud. Oh, so wow. I guess you replace the sling stud and put this thing on, and so you can attach the ARCA to it. Boom. I mean, not the ARCA. Excuse me, the Picatinny. This is the ARCA attachment. I'm going to switch the heads out here to put my. And I like the fact that it's quick release.
Nice.
That's awesome.
Quick release is good.
You know, so you know what I'm looking here is a pretty good deal Pretty good deal. I like the fact that it has a little wider base here. It'll help your stability when you are shooting in a prone or whatever position that you're in. You know, if you utilize the bipods versus the bipods coming straight up as an apex. Anyway. That's a whole other class in itself for that. But it looks pretty good, guys. Well, we'll see. And as you see me shooting my rifle, the next videos to come, this is going to be on it. Definitely going to take it hunting when I do get a chance to go hunting this year. And definitely as we're looking towards competition, my old ass is going to try to get back on come out of hiding, come out of retirement, so to speak.
Out of hiding.
Yeah.
What you been hiding from, sir? Oh.
Yep.
Well, that was unexpected.
Okay, it's a different direction of tightening than my tripod, so I gotta.
That's a really long.
Wow. The MDT was, I think, 6 inches longer, but.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Huh.
Heavy, but 10 times heavier though. Oh.
The things you know. I didn't realize the bipods went that.
Well, I want it this way.
Wow.
You know, because you can get into kneeling real quick, seeing position. You can do all kinds of different positional shooting with these things, and provide stability where you normally wouldn't have it. You know, I've got to get used to. I got to figure out how to manipulate all this stuff.
How tall is that fully extended?
8 to 30 inches. It says here.
8 to 30 inches.
8 to 30 inches. That's pretty good.
Yeah, it is.
You know, I mean, it looks flimsy, guys, but it's pretty sturdy. It's kind of deceiving, but I like that weight reduction on that.
Wow, that's a.
I think I'm gonna have to kind of listen a little bit, but anyway, this should bring it in. Yep. It's real sturdy, guys. Oh, okay. So this is opposite locking than my tripod. I gotta remember that. All right. Cool. Unlock. Opposite from the tripod. Locking. Okay. All right. Well, anyway, guys, we'll see how this works out. And I'll bring it up as I'm shooting with it. But I'm going to switch out, and kind of happy it came in. I like the lightweightness of it. And so I'll give you guys more feedback as we use this thing. But I believe I'm going to be fairly happy with it. And I say that right now, but we'll see. I'm going to give you guys an honest opinion on it as I run it through its paces. All right. Well, an unboxing video. Here we go, guys. Let's see how this works. All right. So part of this bipod system, I noticed when I took it out of the package, it's really, really tight. So when you push the buttons and try to really, tremendous amount of force and power. So I believe they do that so that way you can make your own adjustments. So what I found is that when it comes with these two Allen wrenches, you get the smaller of the Allen wrench, and to adjust the leg movement, this movement here on the positional part of the legs, I already adjusted it. I'm using an 8mm box wrench. There's a little nut here. You put there, the smaller Allen wrench.
Oh.
You put here, and you basically crack it, loosen it, and tighten it to add whatever tension you need to do that on, to get your particular tension rate on your particular bipods on that. And so you're going to have it here on both legs, here and here.
Got it.
For the leg movement. And for the outward movement of the legs, I don't know if you can see this, but in here, on the top here, you have these two screws, or these two nut and bolts. Same thing. All you need is an 8mm with a box wrench. Basically getting it in there, getting the box end of the wrench, putting it on the screw to have tension. Bust it loose, tighten it up as you feel fit for your particular preference. So I want to add that in there because I think that needs to be in here. And also changing the feet. So it comes already set up this way with the longer legs on. And it comes with this the metal spike feet. So real easy because the small ones have this rubber ones on. I prefer to go to the rubber ones for now. You just basically unscrew this, unscrew from this side, and
nice.
Screw it back on. Real simple. Sometimes it bypasses most people.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Right. So there it is. You just kind of tighten it, locks down. Simple. You change the feet. And for keeping track of everything, I just put this back on the small ones. Because I'm not going to really use the small ones for right now anyway. So get that there. And now I'm set up for the thing. So that's part of the setup when you first get your Tricer bipods.
Spotter ready.
Shooter ready.
Send it.
Guys, I will see you downrange.